there's 3 of them that were painted.
There's a cherry one. There's that. Yeah, you got it. And then there's this.
Maybe there's like a Pythagorean theorem one. Oh, right here. I did that one. This one too. She did.
Oh, so there's 4.
What, there's a 4th one?
Yeah, there's
The
a
cherry, that one. Oh, the lemons, yeah. But we just need them. We all find our notes? We're all good?
Yep.
All right, we are moving on to circles today. So we just gotta talk about a few things before we get into the formulas. So we have a circle, right? Do you guys know what the line that goes through the center and goes from one end to the other is called? What's this?
And radius.
The other one.
Diameter.
Diameter, yep. So why don't you guys label that? So this guy that goes from both ends is your diameter.
I'm just gonna draw a line with an arrow.
What's that?
I'm just gonna draw a line with an arrow.
Sure. And if you go from the center to the edge of your circle, that's your radius. Yep. Do you guys know the relationship between the radius and diameter?
No.
So your radius is from the center to the edge.
Isn't your radius going to be half your diameter?
Yeah, it's half as big, right? 2 radii make up your diameter. I don't know. Fun stuff. Okay, so we gotta talk about circumference. Circumference is if you wanted to walk all the way around your circle, how far would you go? So it's the distance around your circle. That's circumference. Distance around a circle. Anyone know the formula? You've heard it?
Pi.
Does that have pi in it? Yep.
Pi squared something.
You're close. That's for area.
Yes.
For circumference, it's 2 pi r. 2 times pi times your radius. A little thing to remember, twinkle, twinkle, little star, circumference is 2 pi r. Isn't that fun? All right, I'm done.
I don't think.
That's all you get today. That's all you get. All right.
This is awkward. I'm not gonna do this.
Oh, yeah, it's not awkward. Who cares? It's just us. Are you ready for some calculator work? Okay. So on this first one, 2 pi. What is our radius?
12.
6.
Yes.
Now, you guys, you just type this in your calculator.
Oh, we're trying to find out.
That's all you're doing. So you can either use the pi button or 3.14. It's up to you. So if you can find the pi button, use the pi button.
6. Oh, 37.6.
What's wrong with it?
8 times pi times 6.
Try
I
again.
see 6 9.
2, and then 6. Equals. There you go.
We rounded up.
Yeah, we can round to do a nearest whole number.
I'm just gonna do 37.8.
8. It's supposed to be 7.
37.69, round that up to 7, okay, and then round that up to the nearest whole number. So it's 30.
Oh, yeah. So if you shift and then that one.
Good to round up the
And that
whole
one first
number.
and then that one. And then 6.
Oh, that's like that. So much.
With your
What page is it?
Dude, my eyes are glazed over and I'm tired.
Good job. I'm a good start.
What?
I'm a good start.
and equals.
Did you see?
Okay, then do times 3.14 times 6. There you go. So you just use 3.14 for time. Oh, you're fine. It's
Oh,
okay.
wait, hold on. 2.
Oh, yep, and then hit your little button. Okay, did we all get 38-ish? Children?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you okay in the back end and check you guys? You okay? 38-ish?
That's a lot of numbers.
Okay. What is our radius on the middle one?
9.
9. Plug it in your calculator.
It would be 57.
Yeah.
57-ish?
I'm sorry. I'm kind of sitting here.
So nice.
Yes, I am.
Yep, and then 9.
Yeah, hold on.
All right. We get 57-ish? What do we get on this one?
57.
57.
So we round up to the nearest whole number, 57?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, now don't get ahead of yourself. On this next one, what's 16? I know. This is your diameter, so your radius would be
8.
8.
That's right.
I know. You gotta be careful.
Oh, that's so tight.
All right, let's plug that in, children.
Stand here.
2, 5,
It
8.
was 16, it would be 100.
50? We're okay with 50?
Yeah.
50 inches. Okay, that was fun. Are you ready for area?
Yeah.
Okay, flip the page. Flip it.
Leave the bed.
Anyone know the formula for area? Pi r squared.
Oh, okay.
So same thing, it's just calculator work. You just gotta figure out what your radius is. So on this first one, what's our radius?
Pi r, no, 5 times 8 to the 8.
Ooh, that's a big number.
So it's gonna be.
How do you?
201. Yeah, but if you don't get
Yep.
201, wave me over. 201.
Just kind of had to find
Hold on.
the square number.
Wait it. Okay, 2 or like pi.
This one.
Pi. Okay, pi. 8.
That's
There
it.
you go. Oh, we don't want the 2 though.
So they're all square.
You can put pi 6 to the second power.
Yep. Yep, that's
With
just.
no multiplications. Because it
You
don't.
won't use the area one to the back of the screen, so all these are just 2 pi r. No squares. You square that. Yeah, 'cause you're just filling it. There's not pi there. You're just doing one. Oh, then you're okay. You're just doing or. You just want to put one. So you put pi in, and you just want to try to put the pi on.
Easter morning was like
Yeah,
chicken instead,
you're right.
then it makes sense for the legs.
201 dear?
These
Yep.
chicken.
201? 201? Yep, okay. Okay.
'Cause I've never heard.
Inches squared though, did you put that?
Yep.
It's area, inches squared. All right, let's do the next one. What's our radius? 3 squared. All right, type it in.
Yep.
Me too.
I got 28, whatever.
Woohoo! 28 meters squared. And our last one, careful, what's your radius?
6.
You won't make the same mistake twice, will you? I don't remember what this is.
Yep.
Go 113. Inches squared.
Oh, close though.
Feet.
It's inches squared on all.
Foot square.
No, foot.
Did you ever take 6? Right? Yep. Yeah.
Yeah, I got 113.
Now you're good? All right. Okay, so that's pretty easy. But now we're going to work backwards to find our radius. It's still pretty easy, but not quite
Dang it.
as easy. Whoops.
Oh.
All right, it says find the radius of a circle if it has an area of 77. So start with your formula so we know what we're looking at. Here's our area formula. Let's plug in what we know.
Or even divided by pi.
Yep. So plug in 77 for A. And like Aiden said, we want to get rid of this pi. So how do you undo times by pi? Divide by pi, yeah.
5.6.
So that's just calculator work. 77 divided by pi.
24.5 would be 25.
Yeah, let's round it up to a whole number and make our life easier.
Yep.
Get
25.
to 25.
Square root 25.
Yep, I'm running out of space here, so I'll go over
Or
here.
would you, yeah, you would square roots.
Do you guys remember how to do the square root on your calculator?
Never.
Never.
Second.
I think we all have these ones. Hit second,
And the other
and then the x squared button,
Yeah, I know.
and now hit 25.
4.4. 7.4.
Hit second.
Had to get some blood out of my pencil.
Yep, and then that's 25. What's 77 divided by 5?
Can't wait to do 2 days of paperwork in my food
There you go.
class.
That should be 25.
Today.
Learning how to
What'd
cook.
you do here? 5?
And then
5?
tomorrow we're cooking
We're
Can you take the square root?
sweets and chicken.
No, she isn't she doing
Are you okay with 5?
Isn't she one of those?
What are you okay with 5?
Oh no, this is like the final answer.
Are we all right with 5?
Yes.
All right, let's do another weird one. Okay, we're looking for the diameter of a circle with a circumference of 176 inches. Okay, so circumference, what's our formula? Twinkle, twinkle,
2
little
pi
star.
r.
Circumferences. 2 pi r, yes, that's it. Plug in what we know.
176.
Yep, it's going in for our C.
Equals 2.
Yep.
Divided by 2 pi.
Yep, we're doing 2 steps. So let's divide by 2 first or pi first?
Pi.
2.
We'll get nicer numbers if we do it by 2 first.
Well, then we do it by pi and then 2 and then round it up.
Yeah.
Right. I'm gonna do by 2 first, but Aiden, you do you, it'll be the same answer.
88
Yep, 88.
pi r.
Yeah.
Divided by
Yep. Divide by pi.
we get 28.
28.
Yep.
Okay, now, but we didn't answer the question. If our radius is 28, what's our diameter?
56.
Yeah, we have to double it.
88.
No, it's 56.
You add another
28 times 2.
56.
56.
58 would be
56.
Will I have to remember so many things high without the calculator?
Never.
maybe.
And if that happens, I'll just be like, want me to make a pie instead?
It is Pi Day on,
Second.
what day is the 14th? Is it Monday?
No.
Sunday. Sunday's National Pi Day.
Oh,
Maybe I'll bring treats on Monday. Okay, one more page, guys. They're quick.
Oh no.
Almost done. I know, a little longer today. A little longer.
To be honest, I'd be fine with just doing this the whole class.
There's 3 things.
What's that?
To be honest, I'd be fine with just doing this the whole class.
Notes?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't mind notes with you guys. You guys are fun to be with. What does this little thing look like? The sector of a circle?
Angle.
It looks like an angle, yeah. What'd you say?
Piece of pie.
Piece of pie. Doesn't it kind of look like Pac-Man too? Anyways, a sector of a circle is just a portion. It's just part of your circle. So a portion of your circle.
Portion of circle.
So in order to find the area of this little sliver of our circle, we have to figure out what fraction it makes up. And in order to do that, there will be this angle here. They're gonna call it N. So we're gonna have N over, how many degrees are in a circle?
360.
Yep, over 360, because that will give us our part times the whole thing, pi r squared. So really, we're just adding one step to the formula we were just using. So on this first one, what's the angle they give us?
60.
So you're gonna put 60 over 360 times pi, what's our radius? 2 squared. Okay, before it becomes calculator work, we have to simplify one thing. We gotta figure out what is 60 divided by 360 as a decimal.
It's 1.6.
So should we do 1.7, should we do 2 decimal places? So 0.17 times pi 2 squared. Now you can type the rest of that in your calculator, just be careful.
I got 2.1.
2.1, that's what I got too. Anyone else not get 2.1?
Got 2.13.
Amazing.
Get rid of the 3.
I got 2.16.
Yep. I had 2.13628.
So get rid of the 3, so I just got 2.16.
So 2.1 feet squared.
Yeah.
All right. Let's try a few more like that. So we'll have 90.
Divided by 3.
Yep. Divide by 360 times pi
2 squared.
5 squared.
0.25.
Yep. 90 divided by 360 is 0.25.
Got 19.6.
You are way, way fast. Compared to me. Okay, let's try this.
What?
I got 920.
What'd you get here?
19.
19.6?
Yeah.
Should we go to 20?
Yeah.
Okay.
Round to 20? That's fine. Whole numbers are fine. 19.6 is fine too. You're ballpark close enough. 20 centimeters squared. Last one.
A square was a rectangle.
Okay, 120 divided by 360.
8.18.
3.33.
Got 84.8.
83.9. So just 84.
Should we do 84?
Yeah.
Meters squared.
Okay, I got 84.8.
It just depends how you round. As long as you're within literally 10, we're fine. Okay, that's fine. That's okay. Okay, I'll start this with you if you guys want to take out the tan worksheet. Now tomorrow we just have a work day, which will be nice. We don't have to do notes since we did them all today.
We already did all of the work right to
Bunch of circles,
Just sent to
bunch of circles on it.
the Easter chicken.
Suppose I could probably show what it looks like on the board. One more time.
Let's just do the
Oh,
and the back.
this is quick, you guys. This won't take you very long, I promise.
Let's not cross out a
And how many
single
times do you
problem.
walk out of here with homework?
Like every time.
Baloney, girl, baloney.
Let's not cross out a single problem. Let
We
us
don't
all
need
do
these.
by
We don't need it.
ourselves.
We don't need to cross any off today. All right, number 1. Sketch a circle. Label the radius and diameter. Got it. Circle.
That is an oval.
Yeah, that's an ellipse. Oops.
Should we just like work as a
Can't
group
make a
today?
perfect circle.
What, dear?
We just work as a whole class.
Let's
No,
make
you'll
it
be
so we
okay.
can work it solo. Okay.
All right, my green line's my diameter. Draw in your radius. Okay,
Draw them close enough to each other, you won't be able to see which one is which.
what is circumference?
What's circumference?
Yeah, what is
Circumference is around.
Yep, distance around a circle. Distance around a circle.
This is gonna be
All right, complete the table. So if our diameter is 14, what's our radius? 7. Yep, you just take half of it. Or could you go the other way? If your radius is 11, can we double it to get our diameter?
Yeah.
So what's our diameter?
22.
22. Okay, radius 3.5. What's our diameter? 7 meters.
0.5.
0.5. Yep. All right. Fill in the blank. So you're just filling in the blank here. So
Is
we're
what's shaded, like if it's green, are you trying to find the area?
Yeah.
Okay.
yeah, but you're just plugging in 8. Circumference is 2 pi r and our radius is 8. Oh yeah, 8's weird. What do I put in that blank?
Oh, yeah, 7.
Not 7.
8, you put pi.
Yeah, this is just pi. Pi r squared.
Oh,
I know.
that's
And for the next one, just 7.
Yep, number 9 is 7. What's your radius? It's 7. Okay, I'm gonna set you loose. On the front, you're using circumference, so 2 pi r. On the back, pi r squared. Okay? So for the rest of these, 2 pi r. On the back, pi r squared.
funny.
Yes, sir. Yep.
Can you still round to the nearest?
Yeah, you can round the nearest whole number, that's okay.
So do I just,
Whoa.
so do I just like using that?
Yep, that's it. My storage card's not recording.